Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a forward edge, guys. So if you have a forward edge and you need to find the fuse for the steering angle sensor, or you have a problem with your steering angle sensor or the clock spring, sometimes that fuse is for the clock spring as well. We'll explain where that fuse is located. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, we make at least 200 videos, guys. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, and you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below as well, guys. So now this is a 2009 forward edge that we will be working on, and we'll show you where the fuse for the steering angle sensor is located on that fuse, guys. If that fuse is bad, you may experience traction control light being on, even ABS light being on. We have a video on the channel that explains how to remove and replace steering angle sensor, so check it out. Not too complicated, guys, but you definitely need to take care of the problem, otherwise your traction control and stability system will not work correctly. If you guys come here by the pedals in the foot well, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box. First, you will not be able to see it, guys. It will look, okay, when you come, it will look actually more like that. Let me show you now. It will look like that. It will be closed, okay, so you need to slide that thing over, pull it out, okay, and remove it. Next, you're going to have a second cover here, okay, second cover like that. You need to press on each side, guys, on each side, press on each side and pull it out. Okay, perfect, just like that. Once you pull it out, you will see, okay, your fuse box. Now this is, guys, the fuse box cover. The good news, you have the fuse numbers printed on the back side here, which makes it super convenient, okay, to find the fuse. Bad news, you don't know, guys, what these numbers stand for. So unless you know what you're looking for, you don't know which fuse you need to check. The fuse for the steering angle sensor, guys, okay, it's fuse number 34. Fuse number 34. Okay, this one, guys, will be past the relay. It will be the third fuse, okay, from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3. So this 5M fuse will be the fuse that we're looking at. Now if you need to remove it, grab it with a with a fuse puller and pull it out right there. This is the fuse. Now if you guys need to buy replacement fuses and you want to save quite a bit of money and get them for a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get all that, the whole fuse box with a free fuse puller for a fraction of the price what you're going to pay at a regular parts store. Later get a new replacement 5M fuse and just push it in. This is it, guys. Hopefully the video, guys, will be helpful to any of you trying to find the steering angle sensor fuse on your forward edge, guys. If you still have problems, we have a video on the channel how to remove and replace it as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.